This morning, investigators are trying to figure out if crazed cult leader Charles Manson has a new flock of disciples. Over the weekend, Manson follower 63-year-old Craig Hammond was arrested for allegedly trying to sneak a wristwatch cell phone to the notorious killer locked behind bars. Back in 1969, Manson, with his young brunette followers, orchestrated the gruesome murders of 7 people around Los Angeles, including Sharon Tate and Leno and Rosemary LaBianca. It's been more than 40 years since Manson went to prison for the murders of the LaBianca couple here at their home in Los Angeles. But his followers haven't stopped trying to connect him to the outside world. According to the California Department of Corrections, the watch never made it to Manson, but he has been caught with a cell phone twice in the last 4 years. The now 78-year-old Manson, who is serving a life sentence for the so-called helter-skelter killing spree, spoke out from behind bars in 2011.
I don't tell people what to do. They know what to do.
According to a website run by Manson followers, Hammond is known as Grey Wolf and has a young female friend in her late 20s, a fast food employee known as Star, names apparently given to them by Manson himself. Not much is known about Star, except her striking resemblance to the 3 women recruited to carry out those infamous killings back in '69. In a 2009 interview, Star told CNN, quote, "He's really witty and really sharp, and he's got a lot of good humor. He's got a weird sense of humor, but I like it. It fits with me."
Charlie pays attention to them. He tells them they are beautiful and that he can provide them guidance.
But as for the man allegedly trying to sneak him a communication device, Grey Wolf was released from jail on a $30,000 bond and is due back in court next month. For Good Morning America, John Schriffen, ABC News, Los Angeles.